So it's like really horrible here. It's very cold and windy. Jackson, what's going on here? Look how deep the snow is. And it's not stopping. Jackson fell. Jackson, you're supposed to narrate.
No, that one is real.
What is it, Jackson?
Look at the house. That's all the snow coming from the house. Oh my gosh, it's still been a few hours, so I don't know
11 blizzard.
what it's going to be like in a few more hours. And they're great.
Now you're going to be super, super cold.
You're going to give him the hiccups.
Yeah, I don't
Get him, Jackson. You pushed him over.
I'm not pushing him because don't push me back.
Okay, so Jackson, what's going on?
Lizard! My hand is freezing!
And it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and they
lost one of my gloves!
Oh my gosh.
At the bus stop yesterday!
It's 2 in the afternoon, and they already called off school tomorrow.
Canceled my job for the first time in, what, 20 years?
Forever. It's crazy out there. So everybody say bye.
I would still be at work normally.
We'll check in tomorrow if we have power.